Students, today we will solve the given system of equations using matrix method. The given system can be expressed as Ax is equals to B, where A is the matrix 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 1, minus 3, 1, 1, 1. It is also known as the coefficient matrix. X is the matrix X, Y, Z, and B is the matrix 4, 0, 2. Now we will find determinant A and we will expand the determinant using first row. And for expanding the determinant, we will use the signs plus, minus, plus. Plus 1. Now after simplifying, the value of the determinant will be 10, which is non-zero. Since the value of the determinant is non-zero, so we will say the given system has unique solution, and the solution has unique solution, and the solution is given by x is equals to A inverse B. And we know that A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. Now we find adjoint of the matrix, and adjoint of the matrix is the transpose of the cofactor matrix of A. Now we will find the cofactors of the matrix. So A11 is equals to 4, A12 is equals to minus 1 raised to the power 3, the determinant 2, minus 3, 1, 1. We get the value of cofactor by deleting ith row and jth column from the determinant. Now the value of adjoint A will be the transpose of the cofactors and now we put the values of cofactors. So finally the value of adjoint A will be 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5, 1, minus 2, 3. So A inverse will be 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. Now substitute the values of determinant A and adjoint A. We will get the inverse of the matrix. And I told you the solution is given by x is equals to A inverse B. Now substitute the values of A inverse and B. The value of A inverse is 1 upon 10. The matrix 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5, 1, minus 2, 3. And the value of the matrix B is 4, 0, 2. Now we multiply both the matrices. We multiply first row of the first matrix with the second matrix, then second row of first matrix with the second matrix, and the third row of the first matrix with the second matrix. Now after simplification, we get it is 20 minus 10 and 10. Thus x, y, z will be 2 minus 1, 1. Therefore, x is equals to 2, y is equals to minus 1 and z is equals to 1 is the solution of the given system.